Hi, it's Nadine Peart here from Healthy You, Healthy Love, and today I'm here to help you work out how to get his love or how to find love again with what I call a radical mindset. And let me tell you, I've done dating. I'm a well-seasoned dater. I know what it's like to date and meet men I like and then have them go cold or disappear. I know what it's like to find true love and then find out that perhaps it wasn't love after all. I know what it's like to really love someone and then realize that your lives are going in very different directions. I've also met men that were pretty perfect for me, though the timing was off or they lived in different countries. I know what it's like to turn away great men and choose the wrong men for me. I know what it's like to internet date and app date. I know what it's like to have men really like me and I don't like them. I've pretty much been in every dating situation you can imagine, so I can assure you I know what it feels like to be out there in the dating world. I know that feeling of a heavy heart, of rejection, of excitement, of butterflies, and also of loss. I know the path to finding love is not always so simple, though I've got to tell you, even with the ups and downs that dating can bring, dating has never been so easy. Truly, the opportunities are endless, which means the single people of the world are so blessed to be in this incredible and endless position of opportunity. Sure, there are downsides to so much choice, yet still you are blessed and there really are no longer any excuses as to why you cannot find true love again. You see, I get emails every day from women asking me how to get his love. They've met a man they really like and for whatever reason he's not making the effort. In fact, the man often feeds her crumbs, yet she's hanging in there for dear life. Like he's the only man that will ever make her feel so good, so alive, and so darn miserable. I say this with a laugh, though this is what I hear from women every day, and it's this mindset that is impacting a woman's love success. A scarcity mindset places you in one of the weakest positions for dating. This is not a mindset of abundance and flow. When acting from scarcity, you believe that what's in front of you is your only chance for happiness, for love. It's fear-driven and tight, and it's not driven by your values, it's driven by need. And this is where my radical mindset shift comes in. As of today, I suggest you forget about seeking love and simply focus on adding joy and love into your day in some way, and lots of it. This is all you need to do. If you want to know how to get his love, then this is the radical shift you've been looking for. Focus on your joy. In my program, Unlock His Heart, I have a love tip called the apple pie technique, and I teach women a really easy way to activate joy into your life in a way that men love. So check out the link below. I know not all relationships are a walk in the park, but they don't have to be arduous. And when you're with a great man for you, you'll feel light and joyful. You'll feel cared for and loved by a man. If you want to know how to find love again and how to get his love, then stop thinking about it. Start feeling into your life more. Ladies, it's time to step up and reclaim your joy. And to do that, you need to stop focusing on getting a man, which leads to the next part of my radical mindset. Why are you so driven to find a man? Yes, humans thrive through connection. They thrive through touch and affection, though we don't do so well when we're in a relationship that's not healthy. When a relationship is unkind, neglectful, one-sided, lacking partnership, devoid of empathy and heart, then you will not thrive. It will run you ragged and rob joy from your heart. So I'll ask again, what drives you to seek a man, to find love again? Who told you you need a relationship to experience a valuable and meaningful existence? I'm a huge believer in love. I know how fulfilling and even healing a truly compatible and united relationship can be like. It's a wonderful experience. So yes, be open to that, but be sure to ask yourself the why. Love, in my opinion, needs to be received through the value of love, not a need for love. When you are needy for romantic love, you act from fear insecurity and desperation. When you value romantic love, you act from clarity, openness, confidence, and love. You act from a place of trust. You trust your heart. You listen to what you feel and what's right for you. You don't stay with people who don't want you back. You don't try to make men like you, and you don't hate on men. So today, I want you to know that you don't need a man to be significant. You don't need to get married or to be in a relationship to prove that you're lovable. Don't buy into social conditioning that says that your life will be better with a man, that you're more socially acceptable if you've got a partner. It's all bullshit. You don't need to prove anything to anyone. It's no one's business as to why you are or are not married, or why you haven't settled down with someone. If you're watching this and you're single, know with every cell of your body that you're not a failure, single or attached. You're amazing and worthy. So when you're home on a Friday night and feeling a little alone, be kind to yourself and know that it's 100% okay to be home alone. It's 100% okay to go to a dinner party and be the only single person. This is okay. Almost 50% of the population is single, so it's not a big deal. You're doing just fine the way you are, and this is how you find love again. This mindset will set you free from the need for love and support you on your path to romantic love, to what you value. This starts by you choosing to be joyful in your day, celebrate and live your beautiful life, and date from a place of abundance, not lack. And this is how you get his love and how he gets your love. You start making peace with your life and create a new way of looking at your single life. When you're at peace with it, you change the way you relate with men. And who said marriage was normal anyway? Who said monogamy is the ultimate life experience and a measure of success? Not me. So don't let social conditioning bring you down. You're gorgeous and valuable no matter what your relationship status is. So start living your life to the fullest and be okay with you. So there you have it, my radical mindset. Let go of finding love and focus on joy. What will come without force. That's it for today. I'd love to read your thoughts about this topic, so please comment by telling me your personal experience. Also, please like and share this video with your friends. And just in case you've not subscribed to this channel, hit the red button below this video and the bell button to get notified of our new videos every week. I also have a free gift for you today that relates to this video, and it's called 5 Easy Ways to Get a Man to Commit. Check it out in the description below, as the content is probably not what you think it will be. Thank you for being here with me, and see you again soon.